Hello friends, welcome back to kACC Creator. Let's learn more of palette knife techniques with acrylic colors today. The 15th one is marbleizing or marbling. We have to load the colors in the same method of blending. Then squill it on the canvas. Then you get wonderful textures which are good for abstract paintings and designs. Let's see how. I've taken aqua green, cobalt blue, permanent orange and portrait pink. This is how I have loaded it. You have to squill it on your canvas like this. See how beautiful it looks. This gives you a unique abstract effect. You may use this technique in various places in your painting by moving your knife to and fro on colors in various ways, and you get a different pattern each time. You can create designs like boutique painting vertically and see how it comes. See, it's difficult, so it's better to hold it horizontally always. The next technique is sgraffito, Sgraffito, that is the spelling, pronounced as graffito, means scraping back and relieving. Here you take contrast colors like red, green, blue, orange or yellow, purple. Then first of all apply a layer of color first. Then with the edge of the knife you create patterns like zigzag lines, cross lines, etc. A layer of lemon yellow, sap green on top of it, scarlet red. I'm not mixing them on the canvas, just applying. Now magenta deep. So with the edge of this knife we can create patterns like zigzag lines, cross lines, etc. When we scrape out the upper layers, the colorful layers below are seen. You can create some patterns also like this. They look so beautiful. You must have done this technique with crayons in the kindergarten. So with bright colors, they look attractive. Contrasting colors make your work all the more attractive. And it can be used to make greetings cards, etc. Number 17, cross hatching. We have two sets here, A and also B. We have learned this technique in pencil shading. If you remember, you can create crisscross lines like a nest or roofs of huts, bamboo baskets, straw mats, hats, etc. using this technique. Now we'll go for method A. Now I have loaded some colors: burnt sienna, Prussian blue, yellow ochre and scarlet red. And now I will apply it crosswise. This is one layer. Apply just like that. You get such beautiful abstract designs. Now we'll go for method B. Put the paint on the edge and then make crisscross lines like how we had done before in edge work. Made it horizontally also. This is sap green. See, you get such beautiful patterns by using this technique called as cross hatching. I am applying a very thin coating of aqua green. Let it get dried up. You may use a hair dryer. Now it is quite dry. When it is dry, apply a very thin layer on it. It gives you beautiful designs, textures. You can also scumble this way. Or moving it in circular formations like this. Like this. This also will give you very good textures. We have to remember that the second layer which we are applying on top should be very thin, not opaque. Now this gives a beautiful texture for rocks, stones, the sun and other natural elements. Imprinting is the last technique, somewhat similar to impasto. Then what is the difference? The difference is in impasto technique you create a 3D effect, while here you only take a print of this paint on canvas, that's all. Holding our knife very lightly, we can create many prints. This would be helpful in making flowers, leaves, birds, etc. I am only taking the print of it, holding it this way to create proper petals. You can give double color effect also. Just take out the print, that's all. You are printing it. That's all. There you are. You may create leaves also with this technique. So friends, so far we have learnt all the 19 palette knife techniques meant for both acrylic painting as well as oil painting. We will practice them daily and gain expertise. Practice makes you and me perfect. Yes. So please practice these techniques. Keep colors and other materials ready. Let's start with the actual painting using some of these techniques in the next class. Friends, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel kACC Creator for its different, unique and genuine, and you know that. Meet you soon. Till then, Shubha Dinam.